As you can see, it is a beautiful property with this bay window and this beautiful original brickwork. There's a lot to see here. Two bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,680 square feet, and a beautiful outdoor deck.
Wow. What a lovely living space.
This is beautiful. I can't wait to get back to that kitchen, but first, let's
take each space at a time. Okay, all right, I've got to say, I love the blonde cabinetry.
Yes.
And the millwork, the detail.
Handcrafted.
Yes, yes, and you know, I love the pickle flooring.
Me too, 8-inch plank there. Into the dining room, and look at this.
All right, I have to say, you know, because mirrors kind of hit their peak in the 80s. Yeah, that's kind of the thing that the first thing you take out of homes. But this works so well that I think there'll be a comeback.
Well, you notice those mirrors, and what I can't get over from my perspective right here is this window in the dining room. All you see is exposed brick from the building next door. So you have this great texture here, and then you have this texture of this tile coming up in the kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
And then into this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Okay, we've seen lots of kitchens, but this one is beyond special.
I don't even know where to start because there's so many unique things in this kitchen.
I can't with these cabinets.
I don't think we've seen the grid before.
This grill, no, on these cabinets.
Look at the height.
They're huge.
Yeah.
Can we just talk about this tile? I mean, this is incredible.
It's actually fire clay tile. And you know what makes it so unique is that each little piece would be different.
Shall we check out the lower level?
Yeah, but first, did you notice that patio?
Yes, the patio, come on.
Yeah, it actually would be even better if you like made me a nice refreshing drink and then you
We don't
bring
have
it out
time
to
for
me.
that. We have more house
All
to
right,
check.
all right.
Come on.
Oh, I love these hardwood floors throughout.
Beautiful. We have a little office area
It's
here.
a great little space.
Yep, into bedroom number 1.
Oh, I love this window seat.
Yeah, that's a nice
Cute.
feature. I think there's storage underneath.
There
you go.
This is super cute.
Nice little bedroom. A nice walk-in closet.
Yes.
And then, look at that tile.
Oh, I mean, I've seen it in different places, but this
You have? I've never seen this tile before.
Oh, I'm so glad to see how lovely it looks.
It's like fish scales. Okay, on to bedroom number 2.
So I'm
It's
guessing
like
probably
storage,
utility storage.
laundry.
Oh, and this must be
Oh my
the
gosh.
ensuite bathroom. Oh, here's the fish tile.
Times 10, wrapping the entire bathroom.
I love it. I think it's just because it's unique. And look what else they did. Recognize
the grill work from the kitchen.
Yep. And look at the detail on just the handles. Those are really pretty.
What I love is the continuity through the house, that you still have the same elements in the kitchen as here, and that they use the same tile in both bathrooms.
Right.
Because it's such a showstopper.
Well, if you think that's a showstopper, you need to come over here. Take a look.
Oh my God. I didn't think there could be more of this fish scale tile. It's stunning. And did we mention this tub? Are we the only 2 people in the area who don't have soaking tubs?
I think so. But it does make me want to start taking baths more.
Yeah, right. And this is the owner's closet.
Okay, now this is a closet. I love the shelves, the custom cabinetry, the little cubbies. But what I love most is this light on the rods. It is fabulous, okay? I just dropped the mic.
You dropped
for the
that
closet.
is yours. All right. And finally, the owner's bedroom.
Look at the detail.
Yeah, I love these paneled walls.
It makes it even more special, and I know you love your brick wall.
Well, again, they frame, these big windows frame that beautiful old brick.
Yeah, and it's just the texture.
Texture and color.
Yeah, okay. So now we've seen the whole place.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you have a listing price?
Oh,
in mind?
I've got a listing price. I'm raring to go, yep.
It was the fish tile that did it.
That really
That
did.
put it over.
What can I say? I love that tile.
You do love that tile.
Okay.
I have a feeling I'm going to be seeing that tile at your place.
Let's find Judy.
Okay. We were wondering where you were. What a nice place to meet.
Yeah,
Oh,
right?
it feels good to sit too.
What did you think?
Love this
loved
house.
it, loved it. The minute you walk in, the bay window, the details, the hardwood flooring, oh, and the tile
The
work.
cabinetry.
Yeah.
Just,
It was
wowed
something
me.
different, a little different.
All the
It is.
high-end appliances. I mean, the usual suspects, the Waterworks, the Sub-Zero, the Wolf. I mean, all of this is here, but we don't normally get this detail in the woodwork.
And we're sitting on this beautiful porch, too.
It has a lot of individual characteristics that you don't see anywhere
No,
else.
you really don't. Well, do you have any questions about it?
Parking spot.
right there.
Perfect.
That is really nice, especially in this neighborhood,
Yes.
right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And the metro is only a couple of blocks from here.
And condo fees. What's the condo
It's really
fee?
low. It's $196.
Oh, I'm sorry. I asked about the condo fee.
$196 is really
That
low.
is amazing
Yeah.
for this space.
It
Yeah.
is.
So taking everything you said, the parking, the condo fees, and just the house itself, I am going to go with a listing price of $1.1 million.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Judy, I'm ready to make my, can I call you Judith?
If you'd like to call me by a name that's not mine.
All right, Judy. Done and done, Judy. All right, I'm gonna make a guess of 1.2 million.
All right, so 917 S Street, the winner is John.
Oh, I thought, well.
And the actual price is 1.225, so you're really close.
Oh,
Super close.
okay. In all fairness, it is actually a learning process.
I'm
Yeah.
impressed with how closely you're both getting.
The thing you don't know is after we're done this show, we're starting a realty agency.
Okay.